My mom approved these eyebrows, so I don't want to hear it. She's back. But as you can see by the title, I am doing a scar look today. Now, I'm not doing like a full on like cartoon scar. I'm doing like a cross between cartoon and glam. So, so what would that be like? Cram, calarm, car, caram, car. I don't even know why I even tried to. Alyssa Edwards palette. That's what I'm using from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yes, that's what I'm using. I'm finally using her again because I don't give this palette enough love. I should because she was expensive, darling. We don't get PR yet. We had to buy everything ourselves. Anyways, I used Beast for my eyebrows. She's a matte black right here. That's what I use for my eyebrows. And then for my smoky eye, I'm gonna use back rolls. Back rolls. But anyways, yeah. Back rolls is this really nice dark brown right there in the corner. I'm gonna use two different primers. One is from Rimmel London, it's the Stay Matte, and the other is the Elf eyeshadow primer. But yeah, I use a second primer, not all over my face, just on my nose because I have huge pores on my nose and in these two areas. So I like more coverage there with my primer, so it can help fill in my pores better and it give me like a smoother finish to my face because my face has a lot of texture thanks to acne. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte. Yeah, matte and poreless in the color Toffee Caramel. Alright, so to get that lighter mouth area, I guess, I'm going to use the Take Me to Ibiza palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm going to use this. You can't see it. It's a very, very, very tan. Oh God, you can't see it. But it's not white. It's a tan, a very beigey, light khaki color. So to fill in the mane, I'm going to use the iMagic Professional Cosmetics 12 Flash Color Case. I'm just going to use this black cream makeup right here. Cream makeup, cream. So to set the black cream makeup, I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to use that matte black right there in the middle at the bottom. Alright, so for some strange reason, I don't know if y'all can tell, but this area where I put the lighter eyeshadow, it's like breaking down for some strange reason, so I need to go in and fix it. So I'm going to use the NYX eyeshadow base from the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to use Kessie or Kessie. Not too sure. You probably won't be able to see it, but it's this one right here at the top. To make my scar, I'm going to use the pink and a little bit of white. To set this, I'm going to use the Supreme from the Alyssa Edwards palette. This one right here. Girl. Look at me. Do you... Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me? Yes, ma'am. Look at just... this wig, my face, my talent, my skills, just okay, let me stop. But yeah, this is the look. Like, yeah, do we like it? This is really dope. Like, okay, got hair in my mouth, cool. I really like how this turned out. I was a bit like, like, I don't know, I'm not too sure, but girl, I am sure. She is sure. Okay, I feel like I look like Prince. Wait, if I can insert a picture, if I insert a picture, I will show y'all. I think I look like Prince because Prince had that, you know, that blowout, that big blowout, and he had, you know, the facial hair. That was when I was like, yes, Prince, like Purple Rain Prince. Ooh, yes. But I feel like I look like Prince. Hey, I ain't mad at it though. I look good, okay? Prince was pulling them, so just saying. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do I need to get my pack of hyenas on you? Because I be telling y'all to mind your business, stay in your lane, drink water, take your vitamins. But I know some of y'all don't be listening. So I might have to get my hyenas on you. I roll with the best. Okay? So stay in your lane, mind your own business, drink water, and take your vitamins.